Hi, I'm Marty Vandersloot with Interstates. I'm the Director of Operational Technology, and one of the things that we'd like to talk to you today is software-defined networking for OT. We've been looking at several different avenues of how to approach cybersecurity with our clients, and this is just another big tool in our portfolio of how we can do this and how we can help our clients achieve that result. Today I'd like to introduce you to Jason Weber. He is with Veracity, and they have a unique OT solution product for software-defined networking we'd like to talk to you about. Jason, can you introduce yourself?
Sure. Hi, my name is Jason Weber. I am the Vice President of Product at Veracity Industrial Networks. I have been in the software and manufacturing space for more than 2 decades. I won't say the exact amount, but I've been there at Veracity for about 1.5 years now, and head up product strategy and product direction.
Thanks. So software-defined networking has been around for quite a while in the IT space, and this has actually been getting quite a bit more traction, and you see more enterprises moving down that direction. One of the things that Jason's company has brought out is a unique solution for OT to provide some of the same types of benefits. Could you talk a little bit around what software-defined networking for OT is and what makes that different?
Sure. So software-defined networking has been around for about 10 years in the cloud and the server space. And it basically takes, and there's a controller that manages the entire network for the customer. It enables things like being able to just drop new servers into a cloud and replacing them, and really streamlines the process. It's never before been applied to the OT space. OT is different than IT. In OT, production's king. You never want production to go down. You have a very broad array of devices in an OT network that may be decades old, and so they don't have the latest cybersecurity patches. And so what we do is we've taken SDN and we've applied it so that you manage your entire network, and the software manages the network for you. It manages, if you want this HMI to talk to this PLC via Ethernet IP, you set a rule up for it. It doesn't matter what port it's plugged into, it doesn't matter what switch, things like loopbacks, virtual LANs are all things of the past with a software-defined networking network. So it drastically simplifies it, but it also micro-segments your network.
So it's denied by default.
It's denied by default.
And it's like putting a firewall in front of every device in your network.
Yeah, no traffic happens on the network that is not explicitly allowed by the controller.
Right. What kind of customers do you see benefiting the most from an OT solution for software-defined networking?
We tend to see the customers that use it the most have one of 2 problems. One, they're looking to harden their networks. They're trying to add cybersecurity into their network. And the other one is they just have a lot of challenges managing their network. The network is out of control for them. They don't have enough people that can do the management of the network. But the cybersecurity people, we see the most traction when they've decided they have a problem and they want to do a segmentation project. Because we're probably half the price of doing a typical segmentation project, and we don't leave behind a whole bunch of firewalls that need to be managed later on.
Yeah. Great. Well, thank you, Jason, for a little bit of time today.
Oh, thank you, Marty, for having me.
Continue to look at Veracity as a great partner for Interstates and how we can help deploy software-defined networking for OT together. Thank you.
Thank you, Marty.